Your HomeLink Universal Transceiver's control buttons are located along the bottom of your rearview mirror. The system can consolidate the functions of various individual handheld transmitters to replace devices that operate garage doors, gates, lights, or security alarms. HomeLink is powered by your INFINITI vehicle's battery and requires no other power source. Remember that you'll need all of your handheld transmitters, such as your garage door opener, to successfully program HomeLink. To get started, clear the memory by pressing and holding the two outer HomeLink buttons for approximately 10 seconds. When the indicator light begins to blink, release both buttons. Now you're ready to program. To begin programming, position the handheld transmitter 1 to 3 inches away from the HomeLink surface. Now, using both hands, simultaneously press and hold both the HomeLink button you want to program and the handheld transmitter button until the indicator light flashes, changing from a slow blink to a rapid blink. When the indicator light flashes rapidly, both buttons may be released. The rapidly flashing light indicates that the device has been successfully programmed. To activate a programmed device, press and hold the programmed HomeLink button. If the indicator light is solid, training is complete, and your device should activate when the HomeLink button is pressed and released. If the indicator light blinks rapidly for 2 seconds and then turns to a solid light, there are additional steps required to program your device. See your owner's manual for more information. If you have any questions or are having difficulty programming your HomeLink buttons, please refer to the HomeLink website at www.homelink.com or call 1-800-355-3515. Please see your owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.